Learn English vocabulary game. Hello everyone, my name is Vinny. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. We have a website, a Telegram channel, a YouTube channel. Hello Baby English, all one word. It is game time. Today we're doing verbs. We have 1 from level 1, 3 from level 2, 4 from level 3, and 2 from top level. Some of these have other meanings. These words 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 all have one other meaning in our program. Let's begin. Number 1. It's hot in here. Let's the window. The first letter is an O. Let's open the window. Open is a verb here. The basic form is to open something. Her daughter is the cat. She's touching the cat like this with her hand. The cat is happy. She is petting the cat now. She petted the cat yesterday. Double T. The basic form is to pet an animal with your hand like that. Bob doesn't wanna the same mistakes again. This means he doesn't want the same mistakes to happen again. He doesn't want to repeat the same mistakes again. Is he telling the truth? Or is he just kidding? Hear, heard, heard. How did Jennifer when she heard the news? What did she do? Was she shocked? Did she get excited? How did she react when she heard the news? Equals, how did she react to the news? His mother doesn't go to stores. She just online. This means she buys things online. She just shops online. SWH just means somewhere. To shop somewhere. To shop at the mall. To shop at a department store. Before doing this, you should a doctor. This means you should go to a doctor and talk to the doctor and ask for advice or information. You should consult a doctor. To consult somebody. She will Bob on the shoulder like this, because Bob's looking the other way, so to get his attention. She will tap Bob on the shoulder lightly with her fingers. Please look for to tap in your dictionary and read the whole thing. Many meanings. How can we this issue once and for all? How can we solve this problem? How can we resolve this dispute? To settle a problem or a dispute. Please check your dictionaries. He wants to get married. He is a woman now. This is similar to dating. He's looking for a wife. Courting. Bye-bye.